Hi friends, welcome back in our channel Colorful Aviation. I know it's very long gap but it's okay, we are back. Because of pandemic and lockdown, DGCA can't conduct their module exam as per schedule. But we have to prepare for exam because we all know after few months everything going to be normal. So friends, don't lose your hopes, keep learning. Today we come with the new and interesting topic that is search and rescue. Everyone are get little idea about topic, but for detailed information watch this video till end. Let's start to topic. Search and rescue is all about the after crash of the aircraft. There are two situations in crashes, that is ATC is contact with aircraft or ATC is not contact with aircraft. If ATC is contact with aircraft, we know the aircraft position and where it is crashed. But if ATC is not contact with aircraft, then we can't find the location of the aircraft where it is crashed. At that time, we issue the SAR, Search and Rescue. It is organized in accordance with the standard and recommended practice of ICAO, International Civil Aviation Organization. In India, if any aircraft crash and we can't detect their location, then Airport Authority of India issue the SAR. Is collaboration with the Ministry of Defence. Every aircraft equipped with the ELT, Emergency Locator Transmitter. ELT of the aircraft automatically activated due to the impact at the time of the accident. ELT send the signal to the satellite on designated frequency. ELT and satellite both are operates on three frequency: 121.5 MHz, 243 MHz, 406 MHz. 121.5 MHz and 243 MHz are analog and carry no information on identifier of the aircraft. Transmission on 121.5 and 243 MHz not distinguish whether signal comes from ship or aircraft, but on 406 MHz signal can separate both signal ship and aircraft. And latest model of the ELT on frequency 406 MHz can also be decoded with the aircraft position data, which can be help search and rescue forces located aircraft much more quickly after the crash. 406 MHz transmit more stronger signal than 121.5 MHz and 243 MHz. Now we comes on satellite. Only two type of the satellites help for search and rescue. That is Kospas and Sarsat. Kospas is a Russian word meaning is space system for the search of the vessels in distress. Sarsat is for the search and rescue satellite. Kospas and Sarsat is a combination of two type of the satellite: low Earth orbit satellite and geostationary satellite. On 1 Feb 2009, Kospas and Sarsat system ceased processing signal from 121.5 MHz and 243 MHz. 121.5 MHz and 243 MHz beacons are not longer part of the Kospas and Sarsat for the satellite detection. Now satellite system monitor and process on only 406 MHz. After receiving the signal from the ELT, satellite decode it and send downlink signal to LUT, local user terminal. Under this program, two LUT in India have been established, one in Bangalore and second is Lucknow. LUT receives the signals from satellite and generate alert, which alert received by MCC, Mission Control Center. In India, Mission Control Center at Bangalore. It is responsible for coordinating with the RCC, Rescue Coordination Center. Bangalore MCC coordinate with the Chennai RCC, Mumbai RCC, Delhi RCC and Kolkata RCC. After receiving signal which contact with aircraft owner and know about the aircraft current status, then they start launching search and rescue mission. Any distress alert received from which area is automatically transmitted to the concerned RCC. It is one of the chain that yearly transmit the signal to satellite. Satellite decode it and send it LUT. LUT make a alert, and this alert is received by the MCC, and then MCC coordinate with RCC, and RCC launch the mission for the search and rescue. And as per this process, we find our aircraft where it is crashed. There are some documents which we get more information about SAR, which are applicable by ICAO. Annexes 12 Search and Rescue, Annexes 13 Aircraft Accident and Investigation, and document 7300 Search and Rescue. It is all about how can we find our aircraft with the help of the search and rescue team. So friends, if you like my video, like it, share it, subscribe it and comment me on the video. We will meet in our next video. Until then, stay safe and healthy. Bye friends.